So one of the first steps you'll take after you decide you want to participate in the STEM certificate program is to create a personal web page. We're going to use this personal web page to record and share all of the work you do that's STEM certificate related. It's going to act as a digital portfolio, and our hope is that it's a web page that you can take with you when you leave Piner to share with scholarship committees, universities, or anyone else who might be interested in the work you did while here. We're going to use Weebly as our website building platform. So Weebly.com is where you want to start. You'll see a page that looks something like this, and you can click on Sign Up. When you do, you're going to be asked for your name and email address and a password. You can start fresh to create an account in that way, or you can log in with Google. Either way, we're going to ask that you use a personal email here so that when you leave Piner, you can take everything you've built into the web page with you. We're afraid that if you use your Piner email for the account and your email somehow after leaving Piner is no longer available, that you might lose access to the site. So use a personal email here or a personal Google account. And once you've done so, you've got an account and you'll be up and running. I've already created an account that I want to use as a model in our videos. So I'm going to log in using my email address, and I'm using my Gmail address to do that. And once you've logged in, you will see, well, this would be like your home screen. And I've already created one particular site that I would like to edit. And so in this particular case, they've got promotions and a number of other things that are here. But the site that I've created, I'm going to click on Edit. And in editing the site, they're going to ask me, what is the domain name that you would like to use? And when I click there, we're going to encourage you to use your own name in some way. So I might use S. Carpenter, or I could use my full name. Somehow use your name so it's personalized. And then when you click search, they're going to make sure that that domain is not being used by anybody else. Your domain, because we're using the free version, the free features of Weebly, will also include .weebly.com. So whatever you add here, they're going to add a .weebly.com to. I'm not going to hit search here because I've already got the site going, but I just wanted to show that when you set up the site, one of the first things you'll be asked is whether or not you want a particular theme. And you can see that there's lots of different themes to use. I'm going to go ahead and change themes and show that it's very easy to do. You're in a part of the site where you're actually editing and creating web pages. So once you're here, you know that you have your site, you've selected your domain, and so now you're ready to begin sharing your website, creating and sharing your website. So for this video, we're going to keep the information to those steps. If you take those steps and you have a website, the next step will of course be editing the website, making it your own, and then uploading any of your STEM certificate work to the website. And those are steps that we'll cover in the following videos. But for now, if you can explore some of these features, look at how you go about editing images, adding titles, adding images. There's a lot of features that come even with the free portions of the Weebly site building, and you'll want to begin to explore those. Don't worry about any changes you make for now. Nobody's going to see those changes until you publish, but we'll cover publishing in a future video. So if you've got your website, you're ready to go, and you've covered everything you need to cover for now.